Thanks for looking. Welcome to her. Today I will talk about benefits of mustard. Mustard seeds contain iron, zinc, magnesium, selenium, vitamin A, B6, etc. It prevents cancer cell growth and helps in throwing out toxin from the body. Mustard oil is good for cramps, especially leg cramps. It has good source of magnesium and selenium. These nutrients reduces the risk of heart attack, asthma, etc. Vitamin D deficiency causes type 1 diabetes in children. But excess vitamin D also not good. So take sufficient vitamin D. Take it easy, be clean, keep social distancing, eat healthy food, live a happy and healthy lifestyle.